अगर किसी ने 20 साल पहले ये 22 किलो की बैग में अपना लाइफ संकेल के वो अपने किसी देश में जाके सेटल हो गए तो इट्स अ बिगर डिसीजन.
Yes.
So they are good decision maker. You can explore India. You need 5 years to explore Indian destinations, right?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Spiritual, we are the number one in the world. Nobody can beat us, right?
Yes.
And in this age, you should start explore the spirituality, right?
Giving
Yeah.
back to the country.
After Gift City, there is everything for you. The dollar is here, the dollar growth is here. Worldwide, you can invest from the Gift City.
So the biggest gap that we found out was that the goal was not reached. Reason being that was never planned.
Absolutely.
The focus was, choosing on the investment options.
Correct.
Whether you do FD, whether you do mutual funds, equity, PMS, private
And,
equity,
yeah.
whatever the investment.
Try and evaluate and see the growth.
When it comes to NRI investments in India, there is very less restructuring.
In the past, there is no digital system. So they have to depend on the someone. Majority people is depend on the relative. उनके relative को बोलते थे, they invest करते थे. Then some of the people investing in the real estate. So right now in India, it's a digital India on the just click and they get the statement and everything and service. वो gap अभी खत्म हो गया.
Tax, there is two major things. One is that utilizing the tax-free opportunities. As he rightly said, we have fewer options, but they are great when it comes to investing in dollar terms,
Okay.
and they are all tax-free in India. And secondly, when they are coming back to India for retirement, there is a golden window that we call the RNOR
R&R,
status.
yes.
So some of permanently they migrate here and some of partially. I know lot of my clients, they spend 1 month, 2 month, 3 month, 5 month in the India, right?
Okay, sir. What a evening we are having at your farmhouse. I think it has been a very busy day, and we are into a very important series of retirement. Videsh mein hai. They're called NRIs. They're the most reliable Indians, and the kind of investments they got in, and the kind of contribution NRIs have done to our economy is immense. And if you look at some statistics, 32 million people NRIs globally in each of the countries, and annual remittances of $111 billion, which is huge. 8.2 lakh crore NRI deposits in Indian banks, and 15 to 20% NRIs are planning to come back to Bharat, which is I
So
call
first NRIs and now retire in India.
yeah,
So
NRI.
there is a new terminology for NRI.
So there's no other person to give insights about NRIs and their taxation and how they should come back. Very dear friend of yours, and we have a very special guest, Priyal Shaw, who is a partner with a company called, and it's based out of Mumbai. She has 14 years of experience. She's a chartered accountant and a certified financial planner. A lot of people, when I ask them, what is your goal? I want to have 1,000 crore AUM or a 10,000 crore AUM, and I want to cover a lot of lives. And they'll say that I want to secure people. But she has a different concept. When I had a deep conversation with her, she said she wants to see customers. Her mission is to have a peace of mind to his customers or her customers, which is a huge statement to make. And welcome to the podcast. This is a big mission of Mr. Girish Patel has taken, that retirement as a subject which has been neglected in India, pension as a contribution which is not there till now. Uh, Now we are getting into the podcast, a very interesting segment, which is NRIs, as he rightly said. Now retire in India.
Okay.
So there's a lot of NRIs who are looking at retiring in India, who want to come back, but they have their assets and they have their lot of things back at home. The kids are at the studying, but still there are a lot of global turmoil and also a lot of things which are unstable political decisions. This is a podcast which we've been doing it as a series. Now, very important aspect of this podcast is that the reason why you've been a co-host or a expert to give your views and insights, and also a lot of knowledge to the fellow Indians who are living abroad or who was NRIs. Uh, what is that when I told you that your insights about NRI taxation and NRIs, why should NRIs come back and what are the precautions they should take, how they should plan for a retirement, what is that first thing comes to your mind? And of course, Girish Bhai is one of the reasons why you are here. What are your insights, Priyal? So,
So, when we talk about retirement, the only two important things is one, your corpus is secured and is growing purposefully well, and second is the cash flow. Every month, your income, your cash flow, that has to be
absolutely.
that's something which gives peace of mind when you are at that age. And when I'm practicing uh, the investments of NRIs, they are not managed in a structured way. You know, they may be having investments in FDs, mutual funds, PMS, EIF, insurance products, or private equity. I remember White Rose Financial Advisors had a webinar set up for NRI especially, and he was the main speaker. He came up with the concept of NRI now retire in India.
Wow.
So that's how we've started.
So
So
you,
it's 2019.
2019 you
Yeah,
met
So
Priyal.
when
Yeah.
we are deeply study the problems of the NRIs,
Yeah.
investment in the India, give you one tagline to NRI ki NRI now retire in India, right? And I lot of US client we have in Africa, UK, Canada, everywhere in the globe, right? More than 4,000 client we have. Last so many years we are chatting with them, discussing with them their family problem, their retirement problem. We are discussing lot, right? So lot of gap.
Yeah.
So I observe lot of gaps. So मुझे लगा कि कुछ चीज़ हमें एक स्ट्रक्चर वे में करनी चाहिए कि गिव हिम द बुलेट पॉइंट कि व्हाई दे शुड लुक रिटायरमेंट प्लान इन इंडिया,
Okay.
right? So some of the point came up the mind. The first is it's your own land, right? So there is a lot of emotional connect,
Absolutely. Yes.
right? Your childhood, your school, everything is here,
Yes.
right? So yes, US and the abroad, all the land of opportunity. So then for earning purpose, you migrate there, right?
Wealth creation. Yes.
And the kids and everything is there. Now your kids is also on the school or dorm and the marriage हुआ और वहीं जहाँ गए हैं वहीं settle हो गए. So now you have time. So आपके जो emotional connect है इंडिया में, so you can revive that and you can enjoy your retirement life better here with your the childhood friends and आपके जो भी villages और आपका जो homeland है.
Absolutely.
So that is the first emotional reason you should plan your retirement in the India. That is number one. Second thing is जो व्हीकल्स है, इन्वेस्टमेंट व्हीकल्स है. सपोज इन यूएस यू हैव ए लिमिटेड 401 के और आईआरएस, राइट? उसका रिटर्न क्या है आप सब भी जानते हो,
Correct.
राइट? द मेडिकल जो हैं वहाँ अपॉइंटमेंट लेना और द कॉस्ट ऑफ द मेडिकल और मेडिकल प्रीमियम में बहुत सारी चीज़ें फिनेंशियली भी आपको मोटिवेट करती है. यू शुड प्लान रिटायरमेंट इन द इंडिया, राइट? बिकॉज एंड द रिटर्न ऑफ योर इन्वेस्टमेंट. So your US equity and the Indian equity, you see the difference is a triple return than the US, right? The US
Yes.
date, here date, वहाँ का FD, यहाँ का FD, वहाँ का taxation, यहाँ का taxation. So lot of benefit. So आप if you invest here, right, so you got the financial advantage also. So that is another reason. Second thing, what I feel ki the Indian regulatory is very strong.
Correct.
So you see the SEBI and the RBI and the IRDA and the PFRDA is upcoming, right? They are very strong regulatory, right?
Correct.
And most trustable in the world.
Absolutely.
So हमने यूएस में देखा है कि 400 500 बैंक एक साल में निकल जाती है, पता नहीं चलता है,
Correct.
राइट? सो ये यहाँ नहीं है. देयर इज अ पीस ऑफ माइंड. रेगुलेटरी इज सो स्ट्रांग. यहाँ का हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस का जो है वो इट्स वेरी स्ट्रांग.
Correct.
सो इतना ये अंडर डेवलप कंट्री या डेवलपिंग कंट्री है, वो डेवलप कंट्री है.
हाँ.
वाई दिस अ बिग गैप
Mm.
on the premium side, the cost of the medical, because of the claim process और जो जितनी भी चीजें वहां बन रही हैं, राइट?
Yes.
सो उसकी वजह से. एंड अगर इफ यू हैव ए मनी, यू हैव ए राइट मेडिकल, आपको 10 मिनट में अपॉइंटमेंट मिलना चाहिए डॉक्टर का. वाई शुड यू हैव टू वेट 3 मंथ 4 मंथ, राइट? एंड टेकिंग ए पेन. सो बहुत सारे रीजन है. एक तो आपका इमोशनल कनेक्ट है, यहाँ का रेगुलेटरी स्ट्रांग है, यहाँ रिटर्न अच्छा है, यहाँ मेडिकल सर्विस अच्छा है. सो बहुत सारे रीजन है कि एनआरआई शुड थिंक कि दे कैन पार्शियली रिटायर हियर. अगर चिल्ड्रन वहाँ हैं, फुल्ली माइग्रेट नहीं हो सकते, दैट्स फाइन. 3 4 5 मंथ यू कैन स्पेंड इन द इंडिया, 3 4 5 मंथ्स यू स्पेंड देयर, राइट? सो ये चीजें जब हमें लाइन अप करने गए तो हमको लगा कि दैट्स अ गुड थिंग
points.
टू मेक ए अवेयरनेस इन रिटायरमेंट, राइट. अच्छा, काफी लोगों से हम मिलते हैं, वो लोनलीनेस वहाँ फील कर रहे हैं, राइट. यहाँ एक फोन कॉल पे 5 लोग मिलते हैं, यू कैन चैट विद देम, सीट विद देम, चाय विद देम, कॉफी विद देम, राइट, ड्रिंक विद देम. सो लॉट ऑफ बहुत सारी चीजें ऐसी है जो आपको मोटिवेट कर रही है. तो उस टाइम पे हम सोच रहे थे, तो द प्रियल टेक ए कॉल टू अरेंज अ वेबिनार फॉर एनआरआई क्लाइंट, और हमने एक वेबिनार किया था, राइट. सो दैट्स दिस स्टार्ट.
Okay.
सो पहले हमने एनआरआई से बात किया, उनका इन्वेस्टमेंट लिया, लेकिन रिटर्न बेस, उनके रिटर्न
I
अच्छे
know.
मिल रहे, उस पर बात कर रहे थे. पर अब जो अब बात कर रहे हैं वो एक एज ए कॉन्सेप्ट कर रहे हैं कि आपको रिटायरमेंट का प्लानिंग इंडिया में करना चाहिए. एंड नाउ वी हैव लॉट ऑफ व्हीकल. एंड प्रियल का क्या है, प्रियल इज अ चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट,
I know.
राइट. सो वेरी डीप स्टडी करती है, राइट.
Absolutely.
एंड जब भी किसी से बात करनी, इज वेरी एथिकल फ्रॉम वाइट रोजेज, राइट.
Yes.
सो मुझे लगा शी इज द बेस्ट गाय टू अप्रोच द एनआरआईज, राइट.
So, what are the key takeaways for you? So,
As he rightly said, they might partially move in here and, still. So, all those investment options that we have are currently vehicles, or I would call them parking lots.
Correct.
Because eventually cash is the king. When you want to spend anything, you need cash.
Liquid
So
it.
you want to liquidate. So you are just parking your money in the meantime to reach the goal.
Absolutely.
So the biggest gap that we found out was that the goal was not
Reachable.
reached.
Yeah.
Reason being that was never planned.
Absolutely. Yeah.
So first, the focus was, choosing on the investment options.
Correct.
Whereas the first goal has to be choosing, planning your
Right,
goal
right,
and doing
right.
your financial planning, and then choosing which investment, whether you do FD, whether you do mutual funds, equity, PMS, private
And,
equity,
yeah.
whatever the investment option may be.
And then try and evaluate and see the growth
Exactly.
every quarter. or
Exactly.
something.
Yeah.
Yes,
So
yes.
the restructure when it comes to NRI investments in India, there is very less restructuring, because जो एक बार उन्होंने invest कर लिया,
हाँ.
then there's nobody really looking after the portfolio to churn it from time to time.
What has your been experience that their belief system in investing in India, and also if the NRI wants to retire in India, what is the strategy or what is the advice you give
So
to them?
first we need to address their doubts, right.
Correct. Correct.
So NRI worries on 3 things.
Okay.
So one is in a past there is no digital system, so they have to depend on the someone. Majority people is depend on the relative. उनके relative को बोलते थे, they invest करते थे. Initially started with the bank FDs and वो renew करते थे. Then some of the people investing in the real estate.
Properties.
Then mutual fund में बहुत बाद में वो लोग आएंगे. Insurance policy अभी relation में ली है. So उनको depend रहना पड़ता था. अब जब they want the statement or the service, वो connect में बीच में बहुत time लगता था. तो एक उनका ये वरी था. So right now in India, it's a digital India on the just click and they
And
get
WhatsApp,
the statement
yeah.
and everything and service. So
Absolutely.
there is वो गैप अभी खत्म हो गया है.
It's complete
So that is the right
transparency.
time कि अभी you digitally आप अपने आप को अपग्रेड कर लो and digitally you can invest. So right, that is one. Second उनका वरी होता था डॉलर वर्सेस रुपीस. सो एक था कि वो डॉलर में रुपीस इन्वेस्ट करे, रुपीस डिप्रिशिएट हो रहा था, तो ये दैट इज़ अ बिगेस्ट उनका वरी था. पर अभी काफ़ी टाइम से वो भी स्टक भी हो रहा है, थोड़ा स्लो डाउन भी हो रहा है.
Correct.
जिस स्पीड में वो हुआ था बीच में जो
हाँ,
अभी वो
हाँ,
नहीं
हाँ.
है. सो दैट इज़ वन ऑफ द रीजन. But that can be manageable because of the return of the Indian equity, right? So if US economy is giving 5.5 or 6%, Indian equity is giving 15 to 17, 18%. So that gap can be managed because the dollar rise in the every decade is 2.5, 2.7, 3% से maximum कभी डॉलर बढ़ा नहीं है.
नहीं बढ़ा.
So suppose आप 2.5-3% का डॉलर एप्रिसिएशन भी काउंट कर लेते हो, तो वहाँ का इक्विटी 6% है.
Correct.
2.5% आप ये देख दो, 8.5% हुआ, यहाँ 16% रिटर्न है.
I know.
So it's 2x. So that if we can able to calculate them, then that is the best proposition to invest in the India. And third is taxation.
Correct.
So majority people is worried about the Indian taxation. उनको काफी confusion है. Actually the Indian taxation is very simple. There is no double taxation. If you pay some tax here, it's reimbursed there, right? So it's a very simple. So we prepare one slide. In a one slide, we can explain you to the Indian taxation. So now taxation is very easy.
Correct.
उसमें कोई कंफ्यूज रहने की जरूरत नहीं है. एंड देन द बेस्ट पार्ट द रिटर्न इन इंडिया एंड द टैक्सेशन. सो वहाँ देयर इज a 40% टैक्स,
Absolutely.
right? Here 12.5.
Yeah.
अभी 12.5 हुआ, is at 10% LTCG, right?
Correct.
So taxation is the good, right? इतना टैक्सेशन में डिफरेंस है, इतना रिटर्न में है. तो ये दो तीन चीज जो उनकी वरीज थी, एक तो डिजिटल है तो उसको अभी किसी पे डिपेंड नहीं रहना है, राइट? दैट इज, एंड देन द डॉलर वर्सेस रुपीज वाला भी इफ यू कंसीडर देयर इज नो प्रॉब्लम. एंड थर्ड पार्ट इज द टैक्सेशन, एंड फोर्थ मेन इज द रिटर्न. सो चार चीजें ऐसी हैं कि एनआरआई कैन thought of that. And nowadays the recent update is the IFC, International Financial Service Center, open in the GIFT City, Gandhinagar, and they are offering a dollar denomination product.
Absolutely.
So that's also help if you worries about the currency depreciation.
And
that
also,
problem solved.
It allows them, exposes them in a
And
bigger.
even in a GIFT City there is a provision if you don't need a Indian account, right? So बहुत सारे रिफॉर्म्स हुए हैं.
Correct.
अब उस रिफॉर्म के बारे में उनको अपडेट करना, वहाँ अवेयरनेस क्रिएट करना, दैट इज द जॉब ऑफ द आवर पॉडकास्ट. इट इज अ फर्स्ट स्टेप ऑन टुवर्ड्स दिस. एंड Priyal is by profession is a chartered accountant. She is managing super HNI and celebrity client, right?
Yes.
So she is very experienced, right?
Yeah.
So her experience will help to clients to understand better on that subject.
The third point which he spoke about is taxation.
Yes.
So, what are the general queries and concerns that when you meet or when the NRIs come here and you approach them digitally also, what are the general concerns and queries they have?
So, with regards to tax, there is two major things. One is that utilizing the tax-free opportunities. As he rightly said, we have fewer options, but they are great when it comes to investing in dollar terms,
Okay.
and they are all tax-free in India. But there is the investment opportunity is not really known to everybody.
Absolutely.
Right, that is one. And secondly, when they are coming back to India for retirement, there is a golden window that we call the RNOR status.
RNR, yes.
Okay, so many people are not really aware of, hence they are not able to capitalize and losing lakhs or probably crores of rupees in taxation when they are repatriating and
remittance.
and when they're coming back to India also for retirement. So that is a very big gap which we can add value to.
So, what is RNOR?
So the status of RNOR is a golden window of 2 years. So when they're coming back to India, in the period of that 2 years, all their foreign income that they are getting, probably they are redeeming their 401k or getting all their investments back to India.
Yeah.
There is no tax. So this is one opportunity. This is one window which they are getting when they come back to India for retirement.
Yeah.
That is something that we must captivate and save probably lakhs of rupees in taxation, because there's no capital gain tax and there is no foreign income tax.
So, and selling foreign property also.
Yes.
And literally they save around 60 to 95 lakhs of
More, at
tax,
least
yeah.
60.
It's a big thing. So someone need to understand the recently reforms of the India.
Correct.
Yeah.
Yes.
Even you look at other way. So the India is the highest remittance receiving country.
Yes, absolutely.
Right? Why should you miss this opportunity?
Yes.
People know the opportunity, people know the return, people know the taxation, digital service, people know, right? That's why we are the highest remittance. Last 8 years constant, India is the highest remittance country.
Correct. So, with a lot of instability and turmoil across the globe, we are looking at a very lot of NRIs moving back to India. There's a lot of shift in investment pattern. There's a lot of innovation. There's a lot of products which have come in, like including one you're talking about, GIFT City. So, what are the other things you're looking at that Indians coming back here and start investing? What are the different avenues, sir?
So निरंजन वो बात की बात है. So जो big shift हो रहा है. So in the early years, so many years ago, there's an economy called Eurasian economy.
Okay.
Right? So now the days coming back slowly, gradually, right? So Eurasian means Asia and the
Absolutely.
Eastern Europe, right? So that day is coming back, right? कुछ चीज़ें जो अभी बन रही है, लोगों ने नोटिस की नहीं की, आई डोंट नो। सो जितने भी, एक तो जियो पोलिटिकल जो डिस्टर्बेंस है वो तो
है,
जो वेस्टर्न कंट्री
absolutely.
में है, राइट। और वो इतना बहुत जल्दी उसमें कुछ लग नहीं रहा है, उसमें कुछ ना
Settle
कुछ
down.
अप डाउन
Stabilize,
चलता रहेगा, राइट। इंडिया इज़ वेरी स्टेबल, राइट। इंडिया अवॉइडिंग द डिस्टर्बेंस, बहुत सारी चीज़ों में वो एकदम प्रोफेशनल डिसीजन ले रहे हैं। एशिया इज़ वेरी स्ट्रांग,
Absolutely.
राइट। सो इफ द ब्रिक्स कम इनटू द राइट
Yes.
एग्जिस्टिंग, तो भी बहुत सारी चीज़ें
Changes.
हो सकती है, राइट। एशियन ट्रेड जो हो रहे हैं, राइट, सो वो इकोनॉमी को बूस्ट कर रहे हैं। इवन वेरी स्लो मूवमेंट, बट यू सी द हाउ रूपी इज पोजिशनिंग, राइट। सो initially we changed the logo of rupee, right? Now the 38 countries is accepting the
Absolutely.
now,
Rupee. Yes,
online
absolutely.
UPI, right? Then the many deals happening in the rupees and the local currencies, right? So dollar is slowly gradually is existing from the Asia, and that is the biggest worry,
Correct.
right? So recently जो चीज़ें अभी हम लोग देख रहे हैं सरफेस में वो उसका रिफ्लेक्शन है,
Correct.
right? So that is one. And Asia is very strong, right?
Absolutely.
Asia is not depend on the Eastern for their development, right? And even India, so that is it's a very different story, right?
Absolutely.
So because our population and our जो इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर अभी जो बन रहा है, गवर्नमेंट का स्पेंडिंग जो हो रहा है, यू सी द भारतमाला, सागरमाला, 200 एयरपोर्ट, 200 5 स्टार रेलवे स्टेशन, लॉट ऑफ इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर इज देयर। सो इंडियन इकोनॉमी पे ट्रस्ट लोगों को है, दैट इज वन। इंडिया में दो चीज़ों की कमी थी, उस पर भी काफ़ी काम हुआ। एक अपना जुरिडिक्शन का जो रिफॉर्म होना था वो था, दूसरा ब्लैक मनी था। तो उस पर काफ़ी हद तक दी गवर्नमेंट ने जो कंट्रोल करना है कर रहा है। तो इंडिया एक ट्रस्टेबल डेस्टिनेशन बन रहा है।
Leadership and political stability.
वर्ल्ड वाइड कोई ऐसा इंडिया के बारे में ऐसा नहीं सोच रहा कि, तो इंडिया में स्टेबिलिटी भी है, ट्रस्ट फैक्टर भी बढ़ रहा है, एंड वी आर ग्रोइंग, right? Our economy is on the consumption base, right in this current situation we are not depend on anyone. Initial में तो क्या था कि the skilled people migrate US, right?
Yes.
अभी ऐसा नहीं होता, IIM IIT के लोग इंडिया में ठहर जाते हैं, the data shows, right? And they are not accepting the job,
Absolutely.
right? They are small startups. Startup is the, I think, the future of India,
Yes.
right? So that is one. Second thing, the money is there.
Absolutely.
इनिशियल डेज इफ यू वांट टू स्टार्ट ए बिजनेस, तो ये लोन के लिए आपको जो बैंकों में जाना था, आज ऐसा नहीं है। इफ यू हैव ए आइडिया, लॉट ऑफ पीपल आर रेडी टू इन्वेस्ट, राइट? सो मनी इज देयर, स्किल इज देयर, मनी इज देयर, राइट? देन द रेगुलेटरी इज लॉट ऑफ चेंजेस इज देयर। सो इन GIFT City जो देयर इज अ वन विंडो, एक ही एप्लीकेशन में आपको सारी परमिशन मिल रही हैं, विद इन द टैट मिल रही हैं। सो बहुत सारी चीज़ें बदल गई है इंडिया में, राइट? करप्शन पे काफ़ी कंट्रोल आ गया है, राइट? सो डिजिटल वर्ल्ड में करप्शन का इतना स्कोप नहीं है, राइट? तो बहुत सारी चीज़ें इंडिया में बदल रही है, दैट विल बूस्ट इंडियन इकोनॉमी। हम 5 ट्रिलियन जो जा रहे हैं, राइट? वी आर लार्जेस्ट एंड फास्टेस्ट इकोनॉमी, राइट, इन द कंट्री। सो दैट all the points guide us towards India to investment destination, right?
Absolutely.
And the strongest regulatory.
Correct.
That is one part. So NRI can think their asset allocation, rupees plus dollar both.
Correct.
I not recommend someone keep all money is the rupees or all money in the dollars.
True.
Right? Keep the balance. And now the dollar investment is available through GIFT City in the India. So that is also no problem, right? So you can asset allocation currency, आपका जो asset है उसको currency asset allocation में भी रखना चाहिए. Then no one can afford the growth of Indian economy. So must participate in that.
There's no comparison.
Absolutely.
Right?
Yeah, yeah.
If you miss this opportunity,
Miss the bus. Yeah.
yes.
Yes.
And I don't think NRI is they are very clever. Well, 20 years ago they found the US is a land of opportunity. So now they understand कि India is a land of opportunity, right?
Yes.
So I don't think कि उनके wisdom में कोई कमी है, right?
Yes.
So they love to join, right? That is one. सेकेंड थिंग, दी NRI को इंडिया में सुकून मिलेगा रिटायरमेंट में, राइट? क्योंकि मेंटल पीस भी एक बहुत बड़ी बात होती है।
Correct.
और वहाँ जो लोनलीनेस और वहाँ जो अभी भी इन्फ्लेशन बढ़ रहा है, जो कॉस्ट बढ़ रहा है, राइट? बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं वहाँ भी, राइट?
Yes.
सो एंड दे फेस डेली, ऐसा नहीं है कि उनको पता नहीं है, राइट?
Yes.
सो अच्छा, बच्चों की जवाबदारी ख़त्म हो गई है, क्योंकि जैसे वहाँ वो कॉलेज जाते हैं या शादी कर लेते हैं, फिर उनके साथ कोई ज़्यादा वो नहीं रहता है, तो दे
Correct.
कैन एंजॉय लास्ट 20-25 ईयर्स एंड एंजॉय द इंडिया, राइट. दे कैन एक्सप्लोर इंडिया, राइट. इंडिया में इतनी सारी चीज़ें हैं जो देखने लायक है, उन्होंने इतने साल वहाँ हार्डवर्क किया, वो देखी भी नहीं होगी. तो देर आर लॉट ऑफ रीजन्स टू प्लान योर रिटायरमेंट इन इंडिया, राइट.
This is actually the plan of one of my clients. He said, Priyal, I would want to come to India every day and just travel.
Yeah.
He said, this is my retirement plan. Every
Every
year,
year, yeah.
every year he would come here for a couple of months,
months.
and just explore India.
India,
That's the travel thing, that plan that they have for retirement.
To explore India, you need a lot of time. I think
And
he is. It's a
actually,
Yeah.
it started.
Yeah,
Last
started.
3, 4, 5 years, you check the data.
Yeah.
Many people. So some of permanently they migrate here, and some of partially. So I know a lot of my clients, they spend 1 month, 2 month, 3 month, 5 month in the India, right?
Right.
Very close friend, right?
correct.
That brings me to one challenge. Uh, Overall, if we see, not more than 5% of NRIs have planned their legacy or their estate planning in place, or they don't have any wills, which brings a concern that none of them want their kids who are not even born in India,
Yes.
right, to come struggle, get the repatriation of the money or the wealth. What would you like to add on the estate
So
planning?
that's a two different thing, right? You can separate your wealth. Your retirement corpus should जहाँ आप लोग रिटायरमेंट करना चाहते हो, इफ यू पार्शियली इंडिया तो पार्शियली यू इन्वेस्ट इन इंडिया, पार्शियली इन यूएस या एनीवेयर वेयर यू आर देयर. Then the wealth, if you want to legacy, may if you plan for estate planning for your kids or nominees, right? So that you can make separate. It's very simple. Don't confuse.
Absolutely.
So majority NRI का decision making में बहुत time जा
Time
रहा
जा
है,
रहा
right?
है.
तो उनको clarity लेना पड़ेगा.
Absolutely.
देखो, and they have a capability to take a decision.
Correct.
अगर किसी ने 20 साल पहले ये 22 किलो की बैग में अपना लाइफ संकेल के वो अपने किसी देश में जाके सेटल हो गए, तो इट्स अ बिगर डिसीजन.
Yes.
सो दे आर गुड डिसीजन मेकर,
Yes.
राइट. पर नावेडेज इतना ओवर इंफॉर्मेशन आ रहा है कि दे समवेयर दे आर
confused.
कंफ्यूज, राइट, टू काउंसिल समवन हु इज द गुड लाइफ गोल एडवाइजर, राइट. सो दे कैन टेक ए बेटर डिसीजन पावर उनमें
है
है,
absolutely.
लेकिन इतने सालों में सो गया है, उसको उनको जगाना पड़ेगा, राइट.
True.
अदरवाइज तो वो अपना पूरा संसार छोड़ के, पूरा सब छोड़ के, अगर वो कोई किसी
जा
देश
सकता
में
है.
चले जाते हैं एक 20 किलो के बैग में, दे सेटल देयर,
Right.
दे हैव अ डिसीजन मेकिंग.
Yes.
अब उसको वो डिसीजन वापस करना है, अटैचमेंट है उसमें, कहीं कुछ होता है, पर दैट कॉल दे हैव टू टेक.
Yeah.
So they can partially, they can try. If 2-3 years they are very comfortable, then they increase their duration here, right?
Yeah.
It is confirmed and it is the best choice
Yes.
on all parameters, right? India is the good retirement destination for NRI.
So that comes to one of the important questions, Priyalji, is that you have any uh, example or any case study where an NRI has approached you and the best way to plan? Have you found any recently?
Yes. Majority of the clients we've planned in a way that their wealth in India, they're partially going to be retiring in India, a couple of months here and a couple of months there, because they want to be around with the kids as well, and planning in the structured way, whatever investment vehicles may be, but taking care of these three things very importantly. One is the cash flow, second is tax free, trying to minimize,
Manage, yeah.
because being a CA, the first thing I would say
Absolutely.
is minimizing
Absolutely.
taxation and planning it well. And third is their legacy. A will or a trust is something that I strongly recommend, because that's the closure and that's the completion of a financial plan.
So Girish bhai, I think very insightful discussion about NRIs. I think it's a vast subject. There's no doubt about it. We keep coming back to Priyalji, and we will keep doing a lot of webinars with in the future because now retire in India. He said 2019. Now it is the best time to retire in India, I will say, in 2025, with
absolutely.
so much of political stability, the leadership which we are offering it to the globe. World is looking at us. There's a lot of reforms, the less corruption, education. There's a lot of education, which is good education, which is happening. We are investing a lot of money on research. People are coming here, and we are sending to the moon or satellites at a very low cost, than a lesser cost than their Hollywood movies. So that's a kind of opportunity, land of opportunity, art, culture we are doing. So I think it's a land of opportunity. This was the land which has given a lot to the world in terms of spirituality, in terms of meditation, a lot of heritage and culture. Now watch out for Indian equity market for the next 5 years. What's your view,
10
Girish
at
bhai?
least. It's a golden decade for
golden
India.
decade.
Yeah,
Growth is
next
going to
10
be-
year will be amazing.
Yeah.
You can't believe,
Correct.
right?
Yeah.
So अगले 10 साल में जो इक्विटी मार्केट इंडिया का रिटर्न बनाएगा, राइट, आई थिंक किसी ने देखा नहीं होगा.
The kind of projects, infrastructure poised.
या लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स द पाइपलाइन.
Yes,
बहुत चीजें
the
हैं.
bullet trains. We are not yet reached those stages.
अरे वो तो अभी इनिशिएटिव है, उसका जो आउटकम आना है वो तो अभी कमिंग डेज में विल सी दैट, राइट.
Yeah.
सो रिटर्न वाइज इंडिया को कोई बिट नहीं कर सकता. दैट इज फॉर श्योर. सेकंड थिंग, you are originally Indian, right?
Correct.
Why should you worry that, right?
Yeah.
Just you have to take a call, right? You can explore India. You need 5 years to explore Indian destinations, right?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
The spiritual, we are the number one in the world. Nobody
Absolutely.
can beat us, right?
Yes.
And in this age, you should start
Explore.
explore the spirituality, right?
Giving
Yeah.
back to the country.
Yeah.
Giving back to the country, this is the Maslow theory, right? So
Yeah.
that is also one of the biggest. जितने से NRI हैं आप देखो किसी भी विलेज में उनके डोनेशन के तख्ती लगे हुए हैं.
Exactly.
ऐसा नहीं है, they love India,
They love.
right? And they miss India also.
Yes.
So why should they miss? Everything is available here, right? And after GIFT City, there is everything for you. The dollar is here, the dollar growth is here. Worldwide, you can invest from the GIFT City. Why should you worry,
Yeah.
right? Your friends here, right? And the digital India welcome you.
Absolutely.
Right? So don't
Complete.
worry about that, right? Just you have to think about it and start partially experience it, right?
Yeah. So
They have the biggest question कि हम यहाँ आके करेंगे क्या, हमारा ग्रुप नहीं है,
हाँ,
राइट, हमें टाइम कैसे पास करेंगे. अरे दैट आर द ऑल द स्मॉल थिंग्स, राइट.
yeah.
इफ यू हैव a money you can make a group here,
Yeah.
right? You can join any activity, right?
Yes.
So that's a very small thing. Don't make this a bigger problem, right? That is a manageable.
So, yeah.
Just you start coming, your all friends is coming, right?
Yes,
And you,
we have upgraded our lifestyle products and
yes,
the
yes,
better
yes.
housing societies.
and one more thing you have to look at, right? In the digital world, आप कहीं distance पे नहीं हो. 24/7 there is a video call and chatting, and you can make a one wall in your office or the bedroom,
Correct.
right? Evening you can sit and take a dinner with your son and kids, right, from US or anywhere. So that all can manage, right?
Yes.
So आप एक wall बना दो जिसमें एक डॉटर लंदन में, एक लड़का यूएस में, एक कनाडा में, एक वॉल पे सब स्क्रीन पे आ जाएंगे, साथ में डिनर कर सकते हैं. So that all you can manage this. So you don't miss family also, right?
Absolutely.
Right.
I think NRI को अभी बहुत ज्यादा सोचने की जरूरत नहीं है. जो 20 साल पहले आपने कॉल लिया है वो आज अभी 20 साल बाद एक और लेना है कि आई स्टार्ट पार्शियली रिटायर इन द इंडिया. एंड जैसे आप आ जाओगे यू अंडरस्टैंड एवरीथिंग.
Correct.
ये अभी क्या जो गैप है तो आपको लग रहा है कि नहीं हम लोग वहां अभी जाके सेट नहीं हो पाएंगे. अरे क्या सेट नहीं हो पाओगे, आप ऐसे ऑकवर्ड कंट्री में सेट हो गए, यहाँ तो क्या है, इससे ओरिजिनल, राइट.
Yeah.
सो वो सब चिंता करने की जरूरत नहीं है. आई थिंक द वेलकम इंडिया आपको बुला रहा है, आपको आना चाहिए.
I think the one statement I'll close the session with: आपका मन इधर है, धन भी लगाओ.
धन तो ठीक है, धन ग्रोथ करने के लिए होता है, धन रखने के लिए नहीं होता है.
Yeah.
If they are not giving return on the FD or equity and the too much taxes and the medical crisis, जितनी चीजें हैं, why should now you have to face?
Yes.
वो आपका अर्निंग स्पान था, दैट्स पार्ट ऑफ दैट के भी आपके पास चॉइस नहीं था.
Correct.
Now you have your money and growing the some other country, right? तो why should आप ये सब क्राइसिस में अभी भी क्यों जी रहे हो?
Absolutely. So that was
आपको पानी लेने के लिए, दूध लेने के लिए रात को 2-4-15 किलोमीटर ड्राइव
ये
करना
घर
पड़
पे
रहा
आते
है.
हैं.
यहाँ दूध वाला घर पे आएगा, स्त्री वाला घर पे आएगा, गाड़ी का ड्राइवर घर पे मिलेगा.
correct. Absolutely.
यूएस में किसी के पास ड्राइवर है?
नहीं.
धोबी है. तो फिर
Correct.
सब काम खुद को अब क्यों करना है इस एज में?
Yes. Absolutely.
वो टाइम अलग था कि मुझे कमाना था तो आई कैन
Yeah. For a wealth creation, you have went there. Yes.
सो बहुत सारे इंडिया के एडवांटेज हैं एंड दे नो. ऐसा नहीं कि उनको पता नहीं है, हमको बताने की जरूरत नहीं है.
वो लोग तो बहुत समझदार है.
और हमसे ज्यादा हैं।
हाँ वो तो है।
उनको उस टाइम पे पता चल गया कि पैसा कमाना है तो वहां जाना
जा
है,
रहा है तो
right? Just they have to find out the good ethical life goal advisor, right? Not for only investment, health care, investment, उसका wellness, फलाना सारी चीजों को कोई टेक केयर करे तो एंड स्लोली ग्रेजुअली रिलेशनशिप बिल्टअप करना पड़ेगा एंड पॉजिटिव माइंड से आपको इंडिया में दोस्त बनाने पड़ेंगे, राइट?
So the below is a link to all the NRIs. We have experts of Girish Bhai and Priyal Shah. You have any kind of queries, there's an email ID. You can reach to us, and we are very happy to serve you and advise you and guide you. Thank you, Girish Bhai. Thank you,
Yeah,
Priyal. It
thank
was
you.
pleasure
Thank you,
talking to
Niranjan.
you. Pleasure
Thank you.
having you
Thank
both.
you.
Thank you,
Thank you.
Thank
Thank you.
you.
We'll meet again next time.